Hey friends, we're hanging out here in the office today because we just got this brand new accent chair from Amazon. Now this is the Miscoos accent chair, and again, you can get it from Amazon for a very budget friendly price. But is an accent chair from Amazon really something you should grab? Well, that's what we're going to do in today's video. We're going to take a closer look. I'm going to show you how it comes and how to put it together and see if it's really worth your shopping experience. Now be warned, the chair does come disassembled. Here's everything out of the box. You can see we have all these pieces as well as the hardware here in an instruction manual. Don't be intimidated. This isn't a super hard process. We're gonna put it together for you. In fact, here's a sneak peek at the instruction manual. You can see that it's fairly easy to follow along. Okay, I'm building this here in my studio. And so basically you can see I've got it on its side. We're gonna put this wooden piece on first. You push the bolts in and then you take your little Allen key that's included and just twist those nice and tight up here on the top. We then put the bottom pad on and we've got two more bolts that go down here on the side. I'm just gonna tighten those guys in. We then have a crossbar that's gonna go underneath here and attach to the two posts. Those also have two bolts, and that's just a little stabilizer to keep that seat high. Take note that there are a couple little receivers right here. That's what the bolts screw into down here. So you may have to adjust these slightly. As you can see on this side, they're definitely off. So I'm gonna have to adjust probably the one on the left there so that it's in the correct position. There's that stabilizer bar in place. Again, if you're having problems getting these to go down in, come around the back, use a flathead screwdriver and just adjust these little receivers until these slot in correctly. Okay, as you can see, the half of the chair is now built. We're actually going to flip this and do the exact same thing on the other side with the second bar and feet. On the other side, you can see we have four matching bolts on the upper and lower sections here that we'll tighten down. Okay, once all the screws are in, we can flip it on its normal feet like this. I went ahead and went around and screwed all of the bolts in nice and tight. On this side, I will say for some reason this bolt sticks out a little bit. It just will not go in any further than that. I didn't have a problem with any of the other bolts, so potentially a manufacturer error on this specific chair. The rest of these went in just fine. We're ready to put on the cushions. Take the bottom seat cushion here. We're just gonna stick that right there on the bottom. And then we've got a really nice pillow cushion for the back of the chair. We'll stick that on just like that. All right, here's everything put together. Honestly, it only took us about 15-20 minutes to get things all in place. It really is a fairly simple process, and this has turned out really nice. It's a really good size chair, and it's really comfortable. My wife sat down in it for the first time and was immediately in love. It's super soft, super comfortable, and again, it's just really simple in nature. Nice cushions, nice backrest, and again, it just adds this really nice accent piece here to our office. This actually comes in multiple colors as well. We liked the white because it gives a really nice pop against our dark green backdrop here. So there you go. It's a really cool chair. Definitely a thumbs up from us. The only couple of maybe negative points I can see is maybe the material is going to be a little bit difficult to clean this white, especially if you have pets and they are using this maybe to lounge around on. It's definitely going to be something that collects kind of dog hair or pet hair. But if you don't have anything like that, then honestly, it's just a really nice, comfortable material. Also, sitting here, I can see for long periods of time, I probably would want to have some sort of lumbar support. This is comfortable to kind of relax down into, but again, for me, I think having some sort of a pad, a small pillow right underneath the small of my back to help with lumbar support is really gonna make this comfortable for long periods of time. So there you go, friends. That is the Miscoos accent chair. You can grab it right on Amazon. Again, it's a very budget-friendly price. This is the Sherpa version of the chair. Come in tons of colors. And again, we really like it. I think, again, for that budget-friendly price, it's a cool chair that looks actually great and is very comfortable. If you're interested in grabbing it for yourself, you can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. If this video has helped, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe because we make a ton of these little Amazon review videos to help your shopping experience be just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.